Welcome to Programming for Data Science. I'm Saeed, and I'll be your lecturer for this module. With my background in data science and programming, I'm excited to guide you through the fundamentals of programming using Python. Whether you're new to programming or looking to solidify your understanding, this module covers essential concepts that form the backbone of data science and computer science disciplines. Our aim is to build a strong foundation in programming, focusing on practical skills in Python, preparing you for more advanced topics, and enhancing your problem-solving abilities. By the end of this module, you'll have gained both knowledge and practical skills. You'll understand fundamental concepts, be able to write and debug Python programs, and appreciate the importance of software development practices. We'll cover a range of topics, starting from the basics of programming to more advanced concepts like object-oriented programming and software development practices, culminating in a case study project. Assessments are designed to evaluate your understanding and application of the material. Formative quizzes will help you gauge your progress, while summative coursework will assess your practical and theoretical grasp. We have a selection of essential and recommended texts that will support your learning. These resources are carefully chosen to complement the module content. Please access the VLE to familiarize yourself with the module materials. Ensure you have Python installed and start with the initial readings to prepare for our first week.